Are you looking for the best drones under $800? In this video we will look at some of the best drones under $800 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Ruko F11 Gim 2. The Ruko F11 Gim 2 is one of the best drones under $700 for beginners. It's easy to operate, has a one-tap takeoff and landing to make your flying experience easy, and will automatically return home if the maximum flight distance has been exceeded. The Ruko F11 Gim 2 drone's GPS features, such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest, make taking pictures from the sky fun and easy. You can signal the drone to return home at the altitude you set with a single tap of a button when it's on low battery or low signal. The Ruko F11 Gim 2 drone's 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization make the flight more stable and allow you to easily shoot clear 4K photos, record great-looking 4K/30 FPS video, and capture more details. Say goodbye to wasting money replacing the batteries of the controller and say hello to a rechargeable controller. This feature sets it apart from other drones that require AA batteries to power the controller. Number 2, Dronex Pro Limitless 4. The DJI Mini 2 boasts a 12MP camera that provides stunning footage in 4K resolution at 30 FPS. The 3-axis motorized gimbal ensures you always get a smooth image that'll suit your photography needs. You may go exploring for 30 minutes per battery with the powerful 7.6 volts X 5000 mAh high-capacity intelligent battery that exceeds the length of the majority of drones that are comparable. The remaining power is indicated via the LED status light on the rear in order to let you know when to bring the drone inside. There is also a low battery indication. With its 2 cameras, the Dronex Pro Limitless 4 lets you shoot videos from various perspectives. In order to capture the finest photos, you can wirelessly adjust the angle and tilt of the front camera as well as switch to the drone's second camera at the bottom of the fuselage. Number 3, Bwine F7. The Bwine F7 drone has a night flight mode that allows you to see the sky clearly at night. The searchlight at the bottom illuminates the night, allowing you to see where you're going and avoid colliding with obstacles. When the battery is low, the signal is lost, or you click the one-key return button, the Bwine Smart GPS drone will automatically return. Additionally, it may fly in circles around a location and follow you or follow a path you choose. The 3-axis gimbal and 5x digital zoom on the 4K camera make switching between photos of different distances, directions, and compositions easier and more stable. The built-in 1806 brushless motor provides the drone with wind resistance level 6. This gives you the calmness to shoot ultra-clear and stable video and pictures even in thin air or on a windy day at high altitude. Number 4, Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus. The Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus is the best overall drone under $700. Only a few drones come close to this monster. It has everything you need in a drone for both recreational and commercial purposes. When the arms are folded, it measures 1,429,455 millimeters and can be carried practically anywhere in a backpack or special bag. It is ideal for capturing the beauty of nature without upsetting nearby creatures because of its small size and high level of discretion. With a 1.28-inch, 0.8-inch, 50-megapixel sensor and up to 16x digital zoom, the Autel Evo Nano Plus combination takes stunning 50-megapixel photographs and produces incredibly crisp 4K/30 FPS video. Even under challenging lighting conditions, you can extract rich information from shadows and highlights by turning on HDR mode. The Evo Nano Plus SPDAF and CDAF dual focusing mechanisms, an industry first, allow it to track moving objects with amazing accuracy. Number 5, DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 boasts a 12MP camera that provides stunning footage in 4K resolution at 30 FPS. The 3-axis motorized gimbal ensures you always get a smooth image that'll suit your photography needs. The 4x zoom feature ensures you can capture a large image from afar. There's no need to get too close to photograph your loved one or client. Just zoom in and zoom out. It also has other awesome features like quick shots, which can automatically record footage with just a few taps and then be shared with your friends on social media. It can resist level 5 winds, take off at a maximum altitude of 4,000 meters, and give you a flight time of 31 minutes. The DJI Mini saves you from the hassle of dealing with FAR registration because it weighs less than 250 grams. You can get the drone and fly it the same day if you want. Number 6. Tacock 193 Max 2S. The Tacock 193 Max 2S comes with 3 intelligent drone batteries that give you 33 minutes of flight time to explore your environment and capture beautiful moments with your friends and family. You can fly farther and see more clearly with the 93 Max 2S because of its superb anti-interference capabilities and compatibility for HD video transmission up to 13,000 feet/4 kilometers. The 193 Max 2S offers unmatched safety thanks to 360-degree laser real-time obstacle avoidance and scanning of the flight route, which empowers novices to fly with more assurance. Tacock 193 Max 2S ensures a stable flight thanks to its powerful brushless motors, which can resist a level 7 wind. This gives your footage stability when flying across windy coastlines, thereby providing a smoother, quieter flight for more discretion and safety. Number 7. DJI Mini 3. Save yourself from the hassle of FAR registration with the DJI Mini 3 thanks to its weight of under 250 grams. You don't have to deal with that stress anymore. Simply get the drone and start flying immediately. You can leave the Mini 3 outside for up to 38 minutes at a time or take long flights without worrying about running out of battery power. Take aerial photos in 4K HDR video for the best clarity. Observe details in the light and dark, both during the day and at night. True vertical shooting makes it simple to photograph lofty structures like skyscrapers and waterfalls. It's also in the ideal direction for uploading to Instagram or TikTok after being captured. Don't let a little wind stand in your way when you're flying, because Mini 3 is wind resistant up to 38 kph. Level 5, you can maintain stability and take your picture. You can also use quick shots to select dynamic flight paths or panorama to take a spectacular photo.